Hi students, this is Ramnarayana from Bhavana's Math Heaven. Today I am going to explain you the formula of the remaining two measures of central tendency, median and mode. To find the median of a group data, we have to use this formula m equals to L plus n by 2 minus Cf into h by f. So before going to explain the letters in this formula, you have to know median class. The class in which n by 2th observation lies is called median class. So that means first of all you have to find n by 2th value. So the class which consists of that n by 2th value is called median class. By that median class you have to explain each and every letter involved in that formula. First of all, L is nothing but lower boundary of median class. Lower boundary of median class. Next, n is nothing but total number of observations, which is also called as sum of frequencies. Next one, Cf means cumulative frequency of the class preceding median class. It is not the cumulative frequency of median class. Cumulative frequency of the class preceding median class. And next one, h is nothing but size of the class, and one more letter is there in the denominator, that is f, frequency of the median class. Okay, got it. Now coming to the formula to find mode of a group data, we have to use this formula. Mode is indicated with the letter z. Z equals to L plus f1 minus f0 into h by 2f1 minus f0 minus f2. In other way, we can rewrite this formula as L plus delta 1 into h by delta 1 plus delta 2. So this is the formula for mode. Once again, before going to know the letters involved in this formula, you have to know model class. What is model class? Model class, the class which has the highest frequency is called model class. So first of all you have to pick the highest frequency. The frequency that should be contained by a class is called model class. Now in this formula, first of all if you take the letter L is lower boundary of the model class. Lower boundary of the model class, and there are three frequencies, f0, f1, f2. f0, f1, f2. f1 is the highest frequency, that is the frequency of model class. f1 is the frequency of model class. f0 is the frequency of the class preceding the model class, and f2 is the frequency of the class succeeding model class. And one more letter is there, that is h. H is the size of class, or you can say it as class interval or length of the class or width of the class, generally size of the class. So this is the formula of mode. If you take the other form of this formula, L plus delta 1 into h by delta 1 plus delta 2. Here delta 1 represents the difference between f1 and f0, highest frequency and the frequency preceding to its median class. And delta 2 is nothing but the difference between f1 and f2. So clearly you can observe that in the numerator f1 minus f0 is there. So in this place you can write f delta 1. And coming to the denominator, 2f1 minus f0 minus f2 is nothing but the sum of two differences. If the first difference is taken as f1 minus f0, and if you take the second difference as f1 minus f2, on adding what do you get? f1 plus f1 is 2f1 minus f0 minus f2. So clearly this indicates delta 1 plus delta 2. So in the denominator you can rewrite these letters as delta 1 plus delta 2. Got it? Okay, thank you.